Hey guys, welcome to another Unity tutorial. Today I'm going to be looking at how to add any maze into Unity that you see, that you can find on Google. I guess like the main rule is that it should be black and white, the maze. And yeah, I'm going to show you how to add it in roughly about less than 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's get up the timer and things. Alright, so as you can see I've got the timer here and I'm going to start it now. So what you want to do is, first of all, you want to create a new 3D project. Let's call it mazes. Make sure you've got it in like a good location. I'm just going to save it here. Okay. Put it here. Ideally you want to save it somewhere else, but I was going to try and do it in under 5 minutes. And while it's creating a new project, the next step I'm going to do is get a maze. Maze. Okay. Let's do this one. This one's cool. So if we save the image, okay. So let's call it maze circle. Okay. And then any day now the Unity project will open up. See what the time's looking like. Okay, spend about 1 minute waiting for this project to load. In the meantime, you might want to like crop down the size, make sure it's a good size. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit this photos. Let's do crop and rotate. So make sure it's at a good size, as I said before already. Just wanna keep it as close to the edges as possible. Okay. These projects still creating. There's like you can do it with any maze, as I said before. Just make sure that it's black and white. Yeah, so like these color schemes that work. Okay, so we've got our project, so we want to create, first off, create a terrain. So we've got a terrain here. And then, you want to click this little icon here, when you selected the terrain, to get your brushes out. And then, what you want to do is, you want to add the image to the scene. So I'm going to go to the pictures folder, put my image in here. Okay, so you can see it's here now. And if you click on new brush, you can see there's a selection, and with the image I've just put in, I'm going to choose that as the new brush. And then, okay, yes, here we go. Okay. So make sure it says stamp terrain selected, and then I think under here you want to make sure that the fall off bit is the same size, so it's not, so it doesn't look weird when you stamp it. Just make sure that's a straight line. Okay. Next we want to left click. I think you've got to increase the stamp height to make it more visible. And then if you left click, as you can see, we have our... Alright, let me just select a different tool. As you can see, we've got a lovely maze. I forgot to do, I missed out a step. So let's just undo that, then that never happened. So make sure it's black and white, and here's where you do invert to make it that the black, because in Unity there's like a tutorial that I was looking at where you're saying how the white pixels in the image is what raises it to terrain, so it's important to invert. And now if we left click, you can see we have our completed maze. Here's like the entrance. It doesn't look the best, but yeah, I'll leave the reference to the guy who goes into detail about how to make it look more pretty and stuff. Let's just make sure we still got time. 30 seconds, okay. But yeah, this is how you can add any maze into Unity in under 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, yeah. So I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. I just thought it was cool that you can do this with any maze as long as it's black and white. Save it as an image, put it into Unity, and then if you have it as a brush, you can stamp it in, and make sure that the white bits, the white pixels, are showing instead for the maze instead of the black pixels, because the black pixels is what stays the same and the white pixels is what raises up. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.